Okay, so we have done a simple catapult, and now we're going to do the catapult with the circle as the strut. So what we did is we took our base that we drew already. We don't need to see that again. And we're drawing things light because we're going to make the object lines dark, and we're going to leave some things light and make other things hidden lines. So we didn't draw the top of the base yet. So we need to draw the circle where it's overlapping the components, because you're going to have to bolt this on here, and you're going to put a screw through to the base. So we're going to take this, and we're going to use that super dull pencil. We're going to press medium and trace this around, and this is going to tell us how big our circle is going to be. So there we go, nice and dark, nice object lines. That works. So how we're going to get this built is we're going to segment this up into small pieces so that we can know how to build it. So this one here, we're going to label parts. What we do is we're going to count over 3 boxes each one. So this is going to be labeled A. Remember, everything is capital letters. We're going to count over 3 boxes again. 1, 2, 3, because that's the same size as these pieces that you're going to build it out of. This is going to be a light line, like a construction line, not an object line. And then as we continue to go, 1, 2, 3, these segments are how we're going to put our wood pieces on here to make it work. 1, 2, 3, another one. So this size tracing is going to have this many segments. So now we have our circle, it's segmented up, and we have ourselves 4 sections, and this is in the video we did after. It's going to be pieces just like this. So these pieces go together. We're going to retrace this on top, and then we're going to cut it out, as you'll see in future videos. So now we have the base we have to do, the hidden lines we need to have on here, and we're going to draw the base dark. And I'm going to use the longer piece of wood because it needs to reach across. So dark here, once it gets to the circle, it gets light again, it goes across to the base. This is the dark section. All right, then this is the light line. So anything behind this, like the base, the line is represented by a dash. So we're going to use the erasing shields again. I'm going to use my pencil eraser this time. And now we'll do 2 pieces. That's hidden. This one is hidden as well, but there's a construction line on top of it, so we'll play with that one. So that's how you're basically going to get the circle taken care of. And this is the, you know what, let's make that a hidden line so we can understand. Remember, this is all drawing as a language, and the language we're representing here is with these hidden lines. It's telling us that this circle is on the top, and then this tower is also over the base. By knowing this, I know right away that this is going to get a screw holding it together here. We're going to have to drill a hole later through here, and it's going to need a spacer that's going to make it the same height as this piece, because now it's 2 pieces taller. Okay, so that's the circle one. The rest of the throwing arm stuff you could figure out other videos, but just how we do this.